channel. Today we are making Paneer Tikka. These ingredients are available in the description box below. Add 2 cups of hung curd to a bowl, and to this add 2 tablespoons of chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of dhania powder, 1 tablespoon of jeera powder, 2 tablespoons of tandoori masala, 3 tablespoons of kasuri methi, to this add 3/4 cup of roasted besan powder. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Mix well until all ingredients form a proper blend. To this add 1 cup of sliced chunks of capsicum, 1 cup of onion shells, 1 cup of cauliflower, 1 cup of half-boiled potatoes. Make sure they are pricked. Add 200 grams of paneer cubes and 1 cup of sliced tomatoes. Mix well and let it marinate for 1 hour. Make sure that all the pieces should be marinated. You can make your homemade grill using coconut husks and coal in a deep cast iron pan or stove. You can also use grill tawa or pan. Now skew the vegetables and paneer to a skewer and roast on a homemade grill. Now your paneer tikka is ready. Serve hot and enjoy.